In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Workbench and arc raiders. If you're new to crafting in the game, don't worry. This is quick, clear, and totally beginner-friendly. Start on the main menu. At the very top, you'll see an option labeled Workshop. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to building gear. In some menu layouts, you might even spot the Workbench in the background scene. If you do, you can click it directly to jump in without going through the Workshop menu first. Either route gets you to the same place. Once you're at the Workbench, you'll see a list of blueprints you already own and are eligible to craft. Think of blueprints as recipes. Each one represents an item you can make, like weapons, tools, or other useful gear. You're not guessing here. Everything you can craft will be visible, and anything locked or unavailable won't show up in this view. Crafting in arc raiders requires resources. These are the materials you collect during regular play. To find out exactly what a blueprint needs, click on the blueprint you're interested in. You'll see a breakdown of the required resources, along with how much you currently have. This page is your checklist. If the numbers match or exceed what's required, you're good to proceed. If you're short on something, that just means you need to gather more in-game and come back when you're ready. When you're set to build, crafting is intentionally simple and avoids misclicks. Look for the craft button and click and hold it. Don't just tap, press, and hold until the progress completes. That hold action confirms you really want to spend those resources, and once it finishes, the item is created and added to your inventory automatically. You'll usually get a quick confirmation or visual cue, so you know it's done. A couple of small tips to make this smoother. Before you commit, double-check the resource list so you don't accidentally use materials you were saving for something else. If you're comparing multiple blueprints, click into each one to review its requirements and decide what fits your current needs and resource budget. And if you have enough materials for more than one, you can repeat the same hold to craft action as many times as your resources allow. That's all there is to it. Open the workshop from the main menu, enter the workbench, click a blueprint to review its resource requirements, and when you're ready, click and hold the craft button to complete the build. Follow those steps, and you'll be crafting confidently in no time.